DRONERESPONDERS, UAS Norway partner for Drone as a First Responder International Initiative. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. The DRONERESPONDERS Public Safety Alliance has announced a partnership with UAS Norway for the global advancement of the drone as a first responder (DFR) concept through the DFR International Initiative (DFRII). Informed by advancements made in the United States, the DFRII seeks to extend the program worldwide with shared resources, working groups, white papers, regulatory information, webinars, and conferences. The partnership was announced last week at the UAS Norway Security Conference by Lieutenant Abrem Ayana, Brookhaven, Georgia Police Department, and Brennan, Flying Lion Incorporated on behalf of DRONERESPONDERS. The Chula Vista, California Police Department started the drone as a first responder program as part of the FAA Innovative Pilot Project, IPP. The program sees the immediate deployment of drones to emergency incidents, remotely operated by teleoperators in order to grant responders situational awareness via real-time video streaming, prior to the arrival of ground units. To date, Chula Vista PD has completed more than 13,000 flights. DFR programs have been shown to increase responder and community safety, enhance operational effectiveness, and grant reliable real-time situational awareness. DRONERESPONDERS is excited to partner and collaborate with UAS Norway to share the U.S. successes and to further advance DFR programs around the world to save lives through this new DFR International Initiative, said Chief Charles Werner, RET, Director of DRONERESPONDERS. We will also be reaching out to other esteemed agencies like NASA and the FAA for their expertise and guidance. Drone as a first responder has had great success in the United States, and it is our goal to collaborate between UAS Norway and DRONERESPONDERS to advance this life-saving program internationally, said Anders Martinsen with UAS Norway. The network both organizations bring together in this initiative can globally help law enforcement and public safety further use drones more widely as a tool and also focus on flight safety during operations. Going forward, further information will be revealed detailing how to participate in the DFRII, which will be open to public safety, public service, government, non-governmental organizations, industry, and academia.